Graph the quadratic by finding the x and y intercepts and the vertex. The x-intercept happens when y equals 0. So when y equals 0, we get 2x squared plus 4x minus 6. I can divide out a 2 from everything. And you can see that this is a quadratic equation that we need to solve by factoring. So using the AC method, I'm going to get, let's see, a times c, a is 1 here. It's going to give me negative 3, b is positive 2. It's going to give me positive 3 and negative 1. Since a is 1, I can immediately factor it down into x plus 3, x minus 1. And that tells me that x equal to negative 3 and x equal to positive 1 are my x-intercepts. Okay, now for the y-intercept, that's what happens when x equals 0. So we get 2 times 0 squared plus 4 times 0 minus 6. That just gives us negative 6. This is our y-intercept. For the vertex, we're going to get x equal to negative b over 2a. That's where the vertex is located at. This is negative b is negative 4. 2 times a is 2 times 2 is 4. So we get x at negative 1. X at negative 1 is a y value of negative 1 squared. It's 4 times negative 1. So we get positive 1 times 2, negative 4 minus 6 goes negative 8. So negative 1, negative 8 is our vertex. Okay, now let's go ahead and graph this. Let's see. We have a bunch of negatives. So let's do it like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 1 here. 1 and negative 3 are the x-intercepts, 1 and negative 3. The y-intercept is going to be negative 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 6. This is our y-intercept. And then our vertex is 1, negative 8. So we have negative 1, negative 8. It's down here. And a quadratic is symmetric across the vertex. So we have something that looks like this. It's going to hit that point, and go up like that. And very similarly, do that. There's our graph.